T-shirt chick.
Y'all, I came on here. I just wanted to show y'all something. I just want to show y'all something that I think is so crazy, y'all. Okay, so right now, if you look right here, over here, the time is 7:11. It's 7:11 p.m. It's the 5th of December. I'm sorry, the 5th of January 2021. So because I'm doing some other things as I wait, now right here I have a premiere coming out. A premiere that's coming out tonight. And y'all should check it out if y'all have not seen this video. If you're watching this video, make sure you go check this video out. I'll pop it up right there on the side of the screen so that you can see. But look right here. I got 5 thumbs up. I got 1 thumbs down. The video has not even came out yet. They do not know if this is a good video or not. I mean, why do I have a thumbs down? Whoever that is on a notification squad. But God bless you, whoever you are, because at least I know you're there and you're still alive, because you know, I don't want you with all that negativity to be doing self-harm or anything like that. But I will just keep you in my prayers, whoever you are. But I think that is so crazy. They on a notification squad, but they hit the thumbs down button. And you got to be on the notification squad or you wouldn't even know this, because the video is not posted yet. Only the subscribers would know about these premieres. The premieres do not pop up for people who are not subscribed to you. So why be a hater and subscribe to somebody? That's just crazy to me. You know, it's just that all that is, you know, you angry with yourself or you unhappy with yourself. I mean, that's just being a hater, straight up, point blank. You know, at least give the video a chance. But I mean, if that's what you got to do to survive and stay living on this earth, you know, maybe eventually you'll get your life together and God will bless you and save you and you'll be happy with your life. I mean, that's all I can say. I mean, but I love the haters too. I love the haters too. But I just think that's so crazy. I just had to do this little short video. But that's crazy. I mean, the video has not came out yet. What do you not like about it? I mean, you don't like the picture? You know, I don't know. But I'm glad YouTube is working on, you know, the people that give you thumbs down. Soon, you will be able to know who these people are and see their, you know, see their comments and stuff. Because YouTube is working on that. But I appreciate you for watching. The people who enjoy my content and learn from my content. And the people who hate on me and my content, but they keep watching anyway. I appreciate it. And God bless all of y'all. Prince Squad out.